Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're gonna do a little bit of a quick video. Really, it's all about my March 2020 dividend update again. And we want to go over that one because like it's been one crazy week for the stock market and pretty much for everybody else. Especially if you've been hit by the coronavirus pandemic, then you're definitely gonna be experiencing some crazy changes with your portfolio or with your current financial situation. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos. And currently I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds, or you just want to show your support, then definitely give this channel a subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to any of your friends. And doing so only takes a quick minute, and I thank you in advance for doing so. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. So let's not waste any time right here. As you can see in my dashboard here on TD Ameritrade, the very first one, and this is one of my biggest portfolios as well. You can see that we are $2,686.69 right now, and that's literally what my portfolio is as of today. And today is like April 5 for the US time, and it is it's still April 5 right now here in the Philippines. But you know what, we have like almost like 14 or 15 hour difference, so you do the math. But anyway, as you can see here, $2,686.69. It's a very huge hit that I took for my portfolio. I actually lost almost like $2,000 as well. So if you actually look at here, let's go to the 3-month chart right here. And on February 2020, actually February 20 or something, that's where my portfolio was at its highest. This was before the pandemic actually, like, kind of like its effects were felt by the stock market. So as you can see here, we were around $4,500. So basically I lost like 1,900. So that's very big. And then it went down and down and down and down until it reached the bottom so far, which is 2,274. And around this month, around this corner right here, like March 26th, this was around when the stimulus package was actually passed. And money in the federal government in the US actually started giving more, or injecting money into the stock market, and on pretty much giving assistance to a lot of the businesses as well. So it felt like there was some sort of like rebound out there. And then it went back to like 2,686 as of today. But you know what, I feel like if you're one of the long-term investors, then this probably won't really matter to you. But to a lot of people who aren't exactly experienced investors, a lot of them will actually see this as some sort of anxiety driven situation, because you can see that your assets or your portfolio is actually losing value. But you know what, don't worry too much about that. We just have to soldier on. But I do have legitimate concerns when it comes to this one, but I'll keep that for myself for now. But anyway, if we actually go over to the accounts right here, we go to orders and we go to types of history right there. Sorry, history. As you can see here, it's now dated March 1st to March 31. And here we have 4 dividends that I was paid dividends for. But anyway, this is PCI, which is on March 2nd at $2.33. And then I have $1.97 for O. And then Apple, or APLE, Apple Hospitality REIT, with $7.80. And then Stag finally with $2.46. All in all, it's actually not that bad. APLE, or Apple Hospitality REIT, actually increased by 5 cents. So totally not bad. And I want to explain why that happened, because recently during the dip, or I wouldn't say dip, more of like during that time when people were selling like crazy, I actually bought extra shares for on my positions. And this was during the time when I actually started finishing my taxes, and then all the tax money that I saved, I ended up overestimating it. So I ended up saving more than what I needed. So I used that money to actually buy extra shares for some things. So I have APLE here at 8.58. That's how much I actually bought it at, and then I bought like 21 shares of it. And then I also added an extra share of Stag at $20.88 for 6 shares. So overall, if you actually look at my positions right here, Apple is now at 100, and we pretty much reached our goal there, 100 shares for APLE. And next is GNL actually, but I'm actually thinking whether I should continue investing in GNL, or should I actually go into looking at or our Realty Income, because when I actually bought Realty Income before, back like way back then, it was around $50. So obviously right now, as you can see, it's like really going down. The gains are, I actually lost like money there, but anyway, market value is now only at $368, and my purchase price was my average purchase price is actually $52.60. But anyway, as you can see here, that's what I'm actually thinking about, whether I should start pumping any earnings that I get to O, because O is a very stable company and they keep paying out their dividends. And you know what, we'll see if they can actually keep on raising their dividends despite the situation that we are in right now. But if we total everything together into the Ameritrade, I actually made around $14.56, and for that platform it's not really that bad. Like obviously I gained less during this month, obviously because of everything that's been happening as well. Companies are probably cutting their dividends, and maybe even like just like completely stopping their dividend distributions. Okay, so who knows. I'm actually gonna go research more about the companies that I'm invested in, so I want to see whether or not they're actually gonna keep producing dividends for me. If not, we'll see what I'm going to be doing with them. But if they do them, you know what, that's pretty good. But anyway, that's it for TD Ameritrade. So the next one is Webull, and we are here on their dashboard. As you can see, they have a little bit of different vibe to it. It's because they actually updated their platform, or not their platform, but more their UI for their app. And we're gonna go to their dashboard right here, their account dashboard, the bull icon as I like to call it. And as you can see, my account value actually went down quite a lot, almost like $600, or more like $700 really. So I lost that much on the value for my portfolio. And yeah, it's pretty much the same timeline with the Ameritrade. Really, it lost value when the stock market actually felt the effects of the corona pandemic. But anyway, we are gonna go over here now to the more section right here, because they did change their platform or their UI. And we're gonna go to funds right here, and now it's already in here. Like I've already logged it in. As you can see, on dividends for March 10 from AGNC, we actually received $2.08. Then for land here on March 31st, we received 49 cents. And then for good dividends or Gladstone commercial on the 31st of March as well, we earned $3.25. Now overall in Webull, I actually made like around $5.82. Okay, that's totally not bad actually, to be honest. There's like a lot of things happening right now, and I don't actually expect too much from my dividends right now, because it's just really passive investments. So I don't really care that much if they pay out right now, of course, because like I have more things that I should be more worried about, like my financial situation with everything that's going on, because whatever's happening in the US, I'm obviously affected there, because that's where my work is based. And you know what, and like I still have like other things that I am responsible and accountable for. So yeah, this is my investments basically, or my portfolio is basically the last thing in my mind, but I still keep an eye on it. I don't want to let go of it entirely. I just want to make sure that it's still there, it's still alive, and that it can still produce the passive income that I want to have in the future. But anyway, that's pretty much it for Webull. And as you can see here, I still have $10 in settled cash or buying power for a Webull, and I'll probably buy something else, considering that almost everything is like at such a discount. I'll probably buy an extra AGNC. NRZ, I'm not sure yet, because as you can see, like here on the dashboard, it's like really going down further. We're not really sure how it's gonna go from here on, so I'm not gonna touch that for now. I'll probably look into AGNC and into good, maybe AT&T as well, because you know what, they're good companies. Agency is just like this, okay, it's more of a risky investment really. Good and AT&T for me is the ones that I'm really focusing on for Webull. But anyway, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for my March 2020 dividend update video. And if we total everything together, that's like $20.38 for both platforms, TD Ameritrade and Webull. Of course, this is less than what I've made from February, which was around $25. That was because AT&T was on the mix, and then I believe NRZ was also there on the mix as well. And I just realized that actually looking at NRZ, it was actually a quarterly dividend, not a monthly dividend, and that was my mistake. But anyway, you know what, we learn from our mistakes every day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or any comments, recommendations for me, if you feel like you have some good strategies as well for your dividend investments, let me know. I want to learn from you. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'm on Instagram as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, by the way. Like the video, share the video as well. Comment any questions down below. Like I said, I'm on Instagram at Daily Dread. You can chat me there, send me ideas. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.